Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Unix Tech Unboxing. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung AirPods. If you guys can basically see right here, a little bit of the light so you probably can't see. But these are the Samsung AirPods. We're going to be unboxing it and let's see what's inside. So technically these are free with the Samsung Galaxy S10 if you buy the mini version or the S10 Plus or E. So yeah, as you can see on the side, it says Samsung Galaxy Buds. See all the little buds, the case that comes with it. So okay, here are the buds. You can basically literally see right here. We have a few more things up here. We also have the Samsung Galaxy little pad here. It's a pretty cool little device. You have these little, I don't know, earbuds in case these go missing. We have a few extras in here. Let's put that back. Now, a little quick summary of the AirPods. Like, they're pretty similar to the AirPods, but a little different from Samsung, basically. And yeah, they're pretty awesome. You can connect these to any sort of device based. You definitely connect them to your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S10. They come in a little cool casing, which basically has to be charged, and just place them in, and they are automatically charged. And if you see this real red light, basically it tells you if it's charged or not. There's a few of these L or right ones, so you know which place to put these in case of charging. And there's to charge it. There's a little soft, whatever you call this, a plug. You can basically just put your you can basically put your Samsung Galaxy S10 charger in here, and it'll charge. It's pretty awesome. You can connect into probably even your computer. I don't know, maybe the computer, maybe something else as well. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We got Samsung S10 buds. They're not called AirPods. They're called buds, and they're actually pretty cool. So yeah. Now, quick little information facts up here. You can actually buy this. I'll link in the description above. Or you can buy this, the S10, and also buy this little, get this one for free. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed your next tech unboxing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.